Please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, retweet, and reward the Spiegel and Dot column. Among the movies and TV shows. So today we're talking about the knife itself. Let's take a look. Balisongs 42. How is it made? Now what? Let's open this knife. Let's take a look. How does it look in detail? This knife features TC4 titanium handle. Macro 10 of this blade material. The blade shape. It's a teardrop head. It's very beautiful. The logo on it is Butterfly's logo. Paris ST42. Over here. It's the exact same logo. The surface is a polished one. But I feel it's a bit of a static effect. It's still a little bit like this. Slightly reflective. It's quite beautiful. A guiding structure for the outer finger. It's a very classic guide structure. The end is this T-shaped locking clasp. This T-lock is a bit wobbly. Sometimes when you close the knife, it'll catch a little bit. It's really inconvenient. If you want to play tricks, we recommend removing the lock. The overall weight is about 118 grams. Very lightweight. Nowadays, for a taijutsu under 120 grams. I think the Tsunami is one of the best. It's a lightweight for a taijutsu. Thanks to its short size. The size of this blade is about 24 centimeters. Now I'm going to compare it to a Tsunami. You can see the difference in size. It's shorter. It's obviously much shorter. These talc knives that are so popular nowadays. All of them. So this one is about 25 to 26 centimeters. This 24 centimeters is indeed much shorter. But it's still a classic. It's the first of its kind. After all, there is a process of exploration. So let's take off the lock. Let's see how it feels in the hand. It's very easy to remove the lock. There's only one screw at the end. Just align it and remove it. This is how it looks like. The lock can be removed now. The screws can be screwed back in. So now we have removed the lock. The screws are also put back in. It's clean and fresh. It's much sharper. It feels much better in your hand. So this knife itself is a fancy knife. Many people don't know. It's a fancy knife with a fancy positioning. The overall inertia is very good. It's not bad compared to the current mainstream fancy knives. It's just that it's smaller in size. As you can see from the comparison with the Ocean, the size is smaller. And this knife, it is a screw spacer structure. It doesn't have a bushing. So its sound performance is not as. The rebound is basically no rebound.